Here we go, another one. We're going to do y equals -3 times the absolute value of x plus 1 and then minus 2. So absolute value should look like a V shape, not a parabola. Make it sharp, make the edges sharp. So my HK is going to be the opposite of this point, so -1. Keep this point the same. So -1, -2. Ooh. -1, -2. We'll plot that right there. Okay, so let's look at the regular pattern for an absolute value graph. That one should be pretty easy to remember because it's just always the positive value. So, oops, scoot that up, you can't see that. So absolute value of -2 is +2, 1, 0, 1, 2. So I'm going to transform that into arrows. So left 2, up 2. Left 1, up 1. This HK point just means, or the 0, 0 means HK, so just don't worry about that part. Right 1, because it's +1, up 1. Right 2, up 2. So this is if my stretch factor was 1. That's the normal absolute value setup. So now our stretch factor is -3. So we're just going to multiply this second value, my up and down value, times -3. And the negative part is going to change the direction on everything. So these left and right stay the same. So -2, -1, or left 1, these stay exactly the same. I'm just changing the height, the up and down number. So up 2 times -3, because this is our stretch factor, is going to change the direction. So now it's going to go down, and 2 times 3 is 6. So it's going to go down 6. Okay. So let's maybe plot that right now. So I'm going to go from this point, left 2, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is going to be upside down from a normal V, and it's going to be squished together. It's going to be skinny, stretched. Okay. Normal left 1, and then normal is up 1. So this times -3 is going to change the direction and to go down. 1 times 3 is 3. So from this center, or this vertex point, left 1, down 3. Now you see how steep that is already? This one is going to be times 1, and it's going to go the opposite direction of normal, so down 3 again. So right 1, down 3. And this one is up 2 normally, times -3, it means the direction changes, and it's going to be a 6. So here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It matches right there. So this one should be symmetrical. So best we can to connect those points. Okay, that's absolute value. Make sure that your graph actually is the right shape first of all too. So these absolute value bars, you need to know what that looks like. Or again, you can just plug in any random point. If you plug in x is 0 here, that would give you the absolute value of 1, which is 1, times -3 is -3, and minus 2 more would be at -5, and that's where our point is at. So again, if you're not sure, just start plugging things in. And we're going to do one more here. One more parent or family of functions is the square root. So we're going to show you that one too.